Hello, hello, and welcome to this fun room tour of Great Wolf Lodge, Niagara Falls. This is room 4010 on the top floor of the lodge. Now you use your wristband to get into the room, so try to make sure it's not too tight on your wrist. I had a bit of difficulty here. On your right, there's the washroom. And on your left, there's a closet. As you can see, I bring a robe for the kids. Makes walking back from the water park a little bit more bearable. There is a change room in the water park, but we prefer to come back to our room. There's the light switches. And here is the sink. The sink is outside of the bathroom, which means that you can brush your teeth while somebody else is using the bathroom. And there's a blow dryer out here, and also some plugs. Don't mind all of our stuff. There's a safe down here. I tend to use this when we leave the room. And there's a little mini refrigerator, as well as a microwave and some tea and an ice bucket. Now it does say not to use microwave popcorn. Oh, there's my little guy just moving out of the way. And that little sticker there says there'll be a fine if you do use microwave popcorn. We have stocked our fridge with some drinks. It's a really great idea to bring some stuff with you. They do have plenty of restaurants on site. However, if you're looking to save a little bit of money, or if your kids prefer something very specific, it's great to bring your own snacks. You aren't within walking distance, are not within walking distance to different restaurants. So this is a pretty all-inclusive place. As you can see, there are some blankets in the drawers. That little drawer is going to pop open on me in a minute. And there's a nice table for two here with some plugs above. So I don't take you out on the balcony here, but we do have a nice view of a park. I really did enjoy this room. We're quite far down the hall from all of the hustle and bustle, and I asked for that specifically. I don't like to be near the Magic Quest, just because kids run around in there all day and all night, so I prefer a little bit quiet. It does take a little longer to get to the room, but you know, that's one of the things that you have to decide what is best for you. So the couch here is a pull-out couch. You can sleep another 2 people on that, and they get their own little space over here. And then we've got our 2 queen beds. The beds were quite comfortable. We slept pretty well. As you can see, this Toronto Maple Leafs pillow does not come with the room. And I like to bring a fan with me. That's one of my other tips and tricks. You can bring that fan, cuts down on the outside noise, because you do hear people running back and forth in the halls. There's a lot of families here, obviously, so if you're sensitive to noise at night, you might want to bring something to cut back on that. And I'm going to show you the plugs back here. There's a few of them. I ended up unplugging this alarm clock just in case. I know sometimes people like to set it, and I don't like to be surprised. And we pop into the bathroom. So it's quite small in here, but it's sufficient. You can see it's tile. Pretty basic shower head, and they've got their shampoo and conditioner attached to the wall. So you really don't have to bring anything with you if you don't want to. I mean, other than your swimsuit and your clothes. And it's a bathtub if the kids need a bath. And that pretty much wraps it up. There's our light switch. So feel free to like and comment. If you have any questions, let us know.